Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Real quick video on this here fog machine. First, I want to tell you what size it is. So completely ignore this white bottle that's on top. That is extra. I've added that just to have like 12 hours worth of juice time with smoke. Totally ignore this. But you're looking at about 9 inches this way, 5 inches this way, and about 4.5 inches this way. It does come with a mount that goes here and will allow you to kind of hang it from the ceiling or wherever you want. One thing to note, it has a manual option here with about a 12-inch cord. You have about 4 feet worth of power cord that goes up into your power outlet. And then really the most important thing about these, which makes this specific, which is the reason I picked this up and it works fantastic, I've had it for years, is because I can control this from a distance. So if I'm doing this at like a haunted house or trick-or-treaters and I have all this stuff staged near the front door and I like to watch them coming up, or if you want to have this somehow connected to a costume where you're going around doing stuff, you press this button and it will smoke you out. Hopefully that helps.